What are we making? Two for $1. Get another one of those tomatoes. Oh, you don't want any seafood?
Oh, no, we can't get them, can we? Oh, you can get them.
You want some? You want?
Megan, look, you can measure.
Put it in the crock pot.
Let me turn it around. Let me turn it around.
Here you go. Here's one. Put this one with it.
Can I pick one out?
Sure. Which one do you want? They're not like fish. You are such a dork.
There you go. Fish are good.
Has a doctor in the head. It's Megan. Megan, put it. Megan, it's plastic. It's not gonna hurt you. Watch your head. Here, put it up in here. Wait. Put it up here. Put it up here. A little one.
That's cool.